So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are reviewing a brand new custom ROM that is Derpfest OS. Now I've been using this ROM for like past 4 or 5 days, and in this video, or you can say in this review, I'll share all my experiences, the positives, the negatives. So if you are planning to flash this ROM, do stick around till the end of the video. Now talking about the battery backup in this ROM, as you can see, the screen on time is around 7 hours and 5 minutes, and the screen off time is around 34 hours and 19 minutes, which is not ideal to me by any means. The idle drain on this ROM is ridiculous and is not acceptable by any means. The charging in this ROM works decently fine, like the phone charge from 4% to 66%, that is by 62% in 43 minutes. So the fast charging is working perfectly fine. There are no issues with that. Now talking about the customization in this ROM, the customization come in this Derp space tab, and these are the usual type of customization like battery settings, clock settings, status bar items, and all that stuff. This is pretty common and you can see this in almost all ROMs nowadays, so there's nothing special about it. And as you can see, these are the QS panel setting, notification, quick settings, then these are the lock screen settings, and then these are the general settings. Like you can see, there are not much customization because this ROM is newly launched, and this is, I think, the first official version after a very long time, so there are not many customizations here, and you will have to make do with what you get here. Now talking about the camera application in this ROM, you get this basic MIUI kind of camera, and all the lenses are working perfectly fine. Like let me just show you here. Like you can see the ultra wide, then the primary lens, they all work just fine, and then the macro lens also works perfectly fine. The selfie camera is also working perfectly fine, there are no issues with that, and you get all the MIUI based features in this ROM, like this protect your documents and all that stuff, so you don't have to worry about any of this. And the 108 megapixel mode in the camera application is also working perfectly fine. Now in the audio section you get this Dolby Atmos, and with that the sound experience has been amazing, and I haven't faced a single issue in the audio aspect of this ROM. Like even the Bluetooth speakers and even the Bluetooth earphones are working perfectly fine, there are no issues with that, and the audio through the speakers are also loud and crisp, and I really enjoy listening to music through this Dolby Atmos kind. Now talking about the Google Play certification, as you can see the device is certified, and you also get the Pixel unlimited storage, so you can back up unlimited photos and videos at no charge. So there's that. And honestly, I didn't really test the benchmark in this ROM, like the Geekbench or the CPU stress test, because I was just having too much trouble with the standby time of this ROM. I didn't think it was worth it to run the test and analyze the results. I'll say just because of the standby time in this ROM, I'll place it in the not recommended list, because the standby time is very important to most of the people, including myself. For that reason, I'm not recommending this ROM right now, but I hope all the bugs will be fixed in the future. And this is an extremely stable ROM. I have used previous version of Derpfest OS, and they are extremely stable, like exceptionally stable. So I hope that developer will fix these bugs and re-release with a new update with a new security patch. Oh yeah, by the way, this ROM comes with the Agisna kernel if you wanted to know for some reason. With that, everything has been buttery smooth, like there are no lags, no jitter whatsoever. And on that note, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.